Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the Windows Update error 80072EFE, then let's look at the following options. Now the first option would be is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So we do that by right clicking on the Start tab. We go to System and we click System here. Go down and we click Troubleshoot. We look for other troubleshooters and we press the Run button on the Windows Update troubleshooter. This should resolve the problem. If this doesn't work, then we need to restart the Windows services. So how we do that is we look for services and run them. Click this tab. All right. Here we'll go down and look for Windows Update services. So we go down. And there it is, Windows Update Service. Right click on it and we'll press Restart. Now this should correct the problem. We can also restart the background intelligence transfer service. So we go to B. Here it is, background intelligence transfer service. Right click and start or restart. And we also will restart the cryptographic service. So here it is, cryptographic services. Right click and we restart. Click yes, and this should solve the problem. If both these options don't work, then a third solution would be to clean up the folders. So we do that by going to disk cleanup. Look for disk cleanup and we'll clean up the system files here. So if you can see, this will clean up the software distribution and catroot 2 folders, and that should resolve the problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.